What up, guys? This is the second battle at Munson. On my right side, I got Riley Perry. On my left side, I got Nathan Harris. They're gonna verse today. And today's judge is gonna be Justin A. He's gonna be judging all the tricks, barracks rules, flat ground only. So let's get this started. We're gonna do Rochambeau to see who goes first.
I go.
Yes. Mulligan. And the winner is...
Man over here, Nate. Got the loser here.
Look at him watching me. This motherfucker.
Good game, man.